Good morning class. How are you all? Fine? Good. So even I'm fine, and now we are going to start our today's class. And which is the first period of today's class? English class. Yes, this is the English period, and in English we have been learning about different E sound words. So today is 13th of July. Today is 13th July 2020, and the day is, which day is today? Monday. Yes, so today is Monday. So after 2 days holidays we are starting our class, and this is the English period. So in English we are doing E sound word. So which sound word we are doing? E sound word. So a very quick recap I am going to take. Now who will tell me how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Yes, you all remember them? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels in the alphabet series, and the other 21 alphabets are consonants. So we have learned about different A family words. हमने कैसे किया? We have blended different A family words with other consonants and created different words. Then we started it. Then we have also done use of it. आपको मैम ने बताया था it is used for non-living things and animals. Yes, you remember? It is a bag. It is a pencil. Like this we have done use of it. Then we started with E sound word. So which was the first E family we have completed? Ed sound. Yes, ed sound word. And in ed sound word we have made so many, in ed sound we have made so many words like red, bed, isn't it? Yes, come up with some words. Red, bed, then fed, wed, isn't it? So now today in our English class we are going to start with one more E family word, that is egg. Egg. So which family we are going to learn about? Egg. Egg. Egg family word. So how you are going to pronounce it? Egg. 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 Egg family word. Okay. So I have some pictures here, and you are going to identify these pictures. You will be telling me which sound to be written and which sound to be blended with egg sound, and will be making different spellings. Is it clear? So the very first picture here is this. So what is this? It is one of our body part. हमारी body part होती है ये. Yes, what picture is this? Leg. Yes. So now you have to pronounce it carefully. Egg. Leg. So you are going to tell me which alphabets I have to write. L. First of all you have to say, don't say it with alphabets, you have to speak with the sounds. आप sound बोलेंगे और जो sound आ रही है हम वो alphabet लिखेंगे. This is how we blend sounds and we write words. So first thing, egg, leg. So L. Which sound is coming? L. So what we have to do? I am going to write L. Now this L is blended with egg sound, isn't it? L, egg. So when L is mixed with egg sound, it becomes leg. L, egg, leg. So I have written L, and with L I am going to write egg. So what it becomes? Leg. L, egg, leg. Clear all? L, egg, leg. Now moving to the next picture. Can you tell me what is this? Can anyone tell me? It's a barrel. एक जग की तरह होता है. It is made of, it can be of any material. It can be of any material like wood, copper, steel. Nowadays in steel. It can be in plastic also, as we are using at home. So now I tell you what is this. Something in which we keep water, and whenever we are thirsty, we open the tap, we fill up glass or bottle, and we drink water. So what is this? Yes, can anyone tell me what is this? Cup, egg, cake. What is this? Cup, egg, cake. So how are we going to write that? Cup. So which sound is coming first? Cup. Cup. Cup, egg, cake. So for cup, we are going to write K. Cup. Cup, egg. Egg sound again. So cup is blended with egg sound. So cup, egg. What it becomes? Cake. Cup, egg, cake. So you have to say with me, cup. Please learn the sounds. Cup, egg, cake. Cup, egg, cake. जब हम इसमें जो ये जी अल्फाबेट है, इसकी साउंड बहुत स्मॉल आती है, बहुत कम आती है. दैट इज ग, एग, ग, एग. सो हाउ वी आर सेइंग ल, एग, लेग, लेग. ऐसे तो नहीं बोला हमने. सो लेग, ल, एग, लेग. क, एग, केक. क, एग, केक. Now what is this? Moving to the next picture. Can you tell me what is this? So whenever mama, let me give you some hints. When mama wash clothes, we spread it outside to get them dry. हम उन्हें बाहर सुखाने के लिए रखते हैं. अब बाहर हवा से वो उड़ ना जाए. What mama do? ममा उनके ऊपर कुछ लगाती हैं. क्या लगाती है? This is that. So what is this? Peg. Per, egg, peg. So what is this? Per, egg, peg. What is this? Per is mixed with egg. Per, egg, peg. Peg can be this also, and sometimes we see when we, if you will see in your washroom, we have जिसको हम खूटी कहते हैं, where we can hang our towels, clothes. So that is also called peg. A stand, a iron rod, or it can be a stand जिसको हम खूटी भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. That is called peg. Per, egg, peg. Okay. So I'm going to write that here. So now blend the sounds. Per. So which is the first sound I'm going to write? Per. So this is per. Per is blend with egg sound. So I'm going to write egg. So what it becomes? Per, egg, peg. What it becomes? Per, egg, peg. So let's repeat once again. L, egg, leg. Say with me. L, egg, leg. K, egg, cake. Per, egg, peg. Now moving to the other picture. So whenever we go to temple, हम मंदिर जाते हैं. Sometimes we find that there are some people who are not able to work. They sit outside the temple and they ask for food or some money. So what they are doing? वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They are begging. So what it called? Beg. B, egg, beg. So what we say that? B, egg, beg. So how we are going to write? B. So which alphabet we are going to write for sound B? B. Yes. So which alphabet? B. B. B is mixed with egg sound. Egg. and it becomes bed. B, egg, bed. Clear all? B, egg, bed. Now what is this? Yes, what is this? We eat it as boiled or omelette. So what it is? Egg. Yes. Now in this आपने देखा होगा egg sound के साथ हमने जो भी consonant sounds को blend किया, different sounds we have blended. We have first written the sound of that consonant and then we have blended with egg sound. But in this हम लोग जो इसका एक्स्ट्रा साउंड है जिसके साथ हम इसको एग को ब्लेंड करेंगे वो बाद में आता है. हाउ? सो एग साउंड एग एग. नाउ व्हेन वी आर सेइंग एग तो ग थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग जा रहा है. दैट मींस व्हेन द साउंड इज कमिंग लिटिल लॉन्ग, जब थोड़ी सी लंबी खींचती है साउंड, दैट मींस द अल्फाबेट नीड्स टू बी रिटन ट्वाइस. हाउ? ए egg, egg. So egg sound के साथ when we are blending g sound at the end, we are getting egg. Again, I'm going to repeat l, b, g, p. ये sounds हमने क्या किया था? egg sound से पहले यूज की हमने, right? So it is not compulsory कि कोई भी sound के पहले ही हम letter लगाएं. It can be afterward also. Sound के बाद में भी consonant का sound mix करके blend करके हम words को बना सकते हैं. So that is what I have done here. X sound के साथ हमने g को g sound merge करा and we got egg sound. Egg sound के साथ g mix किया तो what we got? Egg. तो ग थोड़ा लंबा जा रहा है, so that is egg. So let's revise once again. Leg, l, egg, leg, l, egg, leg. The other one is k, egg, keg, k, egg, keg, b, egg, beg, b, egg, bed, p, egg, peg, p, egg, peg, egg. Understood? So this is how we do blending of one given sound with other sounds, other consonant sounds, and we make different words. And what we call them? We call them CVC words. What we call them? CVC. Why we call them CVC? So this is a consonant, E is a vowel, G is again a consonant. So CVC, consonant, vowel and consonant. So they are called CVC words. Is that clear to all of you? Now, I have one more picture for you. I'll just draw it here fast. Generally we see them in our homes. So can you tell me what is this? It's a web, spider web. Spider का house देखा है आपने, जिसको हम मकड़ी का जाला कहते हैं. That is web. Now when I am saying web, so which sound is coming? Eb. Yes, it's a eb sound word. So how we are going to write that? Web. Web. Clear all? So today we have learned egg sound word. What we have done? Egg sound words. So I am going to revise once more. L, egg, leg. K, egg, cake. B, egg, bed. P, egg, peg. Egg, today's work. In your book, phonic book, you have to open your phonic book 3 English key. Okay, open this book on page number 19. So the work is to be done on book page number, phonic book page number 19. So when you will open page number 19 in your phonic book, you will find egg sound words. So you have to first write these words in cursive. जो भी वहाँ पे आपको words दिए हैं, identify the pictures and write them in cursive format. आप कौन सी format में ये लिखेंगे? Cursive. Students, many of you are sharing your book work and you are following the print writing. Book में जो दिया है, you will not follow that print writing. You have to do this work in कर्सिव फॉर्मेट. ओके, आपको ये कर्सिव में लिखना है, जैसे आप अपनी नोटबुक में कर्सिव राइटिंग में लिखते हो. एज आई हैव रिटन इन कर्सिव हैंड राइटिंग, सो यू विल आल्सो राइट दीज वर्ड्स इन कर्सिव हैंड राइटिंग. सो राइट दीज वर्ड्स एंड आफ्टर दीज वर्ड्स सम sentences are given. So in those sentences also you will find pictures. So identify these pictures and write the name and try to read these sentences also. Is that clear? तो आपको ये sentences कैसे read करने हैं? जो भी alphabet है उसका sound बोलना है. 2-3 alphabets की sound को blend करेंगे. You will be able to read the word given there, and when you are going to read those words word by word, you will able to read sentences also. Clear? So do this work and please, ऐसा नहीं है कि if you have completed a sound हमने कर लिया है, ma'am is not revising, now we are doing E sound, you will not revise your A sound. Some parents are making me complain that ma'am ये पिछला वाला work revision नहीं करता है. No my dear students, you have to keep on revising A sound words या in English या maths में जो मैम ने vacations से पहले कराया. You have to keep on revising your work also. Keep revising and keep enhancing your knowledge. Okay, enjoy your time, enjoy your work, enjoy your learning, but take care of yourself. Bye all, take care.